Okay, this one's just kind of a lot of fun. It's a brand new function in our 2024.2 version of SA. It's an import tool for point clouds. It's an import for a .RSC format, which is really just a raw export of our scan stripe format. And any cloud in SA can be exported using this new format. We have an export tool. So you just simply export it out to whatever file you want, and it will export that file. And then if you were to get rid of this, you could then re-import it. And what we've done is add it in our import here. You just select the directory, or you select this RSC import. You can select the instrument. You don't have to select an instrument. If you don't select one, it will be imported relative to the working frame. If you do select one, it'll be linked to that instrument, so that's really what that's for. Then you have to pick the file, and I didn't really name it, so I said main. And then you've got some control as to the rate of import, and I'm just going to leave it on defaults and say go. And here we go. So you can actually get a playback of the scan in process. And I got real-time meshing turned on just so you can see the mesh being built as we go. But it's kind of a fun tool just for the simple fact that it allows you to scan and play back the scanning process to get an idea of how it was measured. It also provides the ability to test different operations within SA to see how it responds to the data as it's coming in and what can be done with it in a more real-time sort of application. So it's just kind of a fun tool to play around with and a unique way to import the data. So that's really all there is to it. The idea that you are able to export it. A couple other fun things is that you can play around with our instrument overview camera, so you can control the way that it's imported that way, and it's quite useful for importing relative to the instrument and exploring different options.